Hey, what's good, YouTube? Just coming with y'all with another video, man. And I just had something on my mind for real. I just came back from a workout and everything from the gym, and I was pulling into my driveway, and it was like, man, I gotta talk about this because there might be a lot of traders that's going through something like this, and you know what I'm saying? I just want people to hear what I gotta say. So I was thinking, I was like, man, you know, when I was coming up. And you know what I'm saying, when in my process and my journey into Forex and stuff like that, I got into these droughts where, you know, I would lose 10, 12, 13 trades in a row. I would lose for a whole month in a row. And it's like, you know what I'm saying, before I really started getting into the mindset part, because honestly, y'all, I'm all about the mindset, man. I'm all about the mindset. I'm all about the psychology of trading, because really, it's 90% mindset in the market and 10% strategy. That's what everything in life, for real. That's honestly what everything in life. Everything you do, I don't care what it is. You can be a doctor, a teacher, a PE teacher, an artist, a freaking a politician, a freaking whatever you want to be, whatever you are. It's most of what you need to do is going to be mindset. I said it. I think I said in my last video. In order for you to change your results, you got to change the way you think. A lot of people are failing in the market and losing 10 to 12 trades in a row, not because of the technicals, not because they don't know how to trade, but because the mindset is off, but because the perspective is off. You're not thinking in the right way. You don't have 100% confidence in your strategy. You have to. That is imperative. That is so important. You have to have absolute faith in your strategy. You have to be able to lose 4 trades in a row and still be confident in your strategy. But you got to have that winning attitude. You got to develop that winning attitude, because if you don't have that winning attitude, well, when you lose these trades, it's going to feel like you're a failure. It's going to feel like you suck. But if you understand your strategy, if you've back tested your strategy, if you know the probability of your strategy, then you know, okay, I might lose 4 trades in a row, but overall, I'm going to win more than I lose. You gotta stop. A lot of trades, what they do is they're thinking about this trade, that day, right? The trade that they're taking right now, they're thinking about that trade. They're like, man, I want to be right this trade. But if you change your perspective to, oh, what are these next 20 trades going to do? You know what I'm saying? Instead of thinking, oh, what is this trade going to do for me? You got to be thinking long term. You can't be thinking, dang, I lost this trade, man. Dang, I suck. What's wrong with my strategy? It's not the strategy, bro. It's you. Every time you step in the market, it's you versus you. It's you versus you. I'm about to get this poster. Big ass poster that says me versus me, and I'm gonna hang it up in my trading room when I finally get my trading room and everything. When I finally get that, I'm gonna hang that up, because really that's all it is in the market. People gotta stop trying to fight the market, because the market's not fighting you. The market's doing what it's supposed to do. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do, even if you are not there. If you're not there, it don't matter. The market's gonna still make the same moves. It's gonna still go up 200 pips, 50 pips, whatever, consolidate, whatever. It's still gonna do that. So it's not about fighting the market. It's about fighting yourself. It's about being able to maintain that winning attitude even in your droughts. The market is also about how you lose. Are you losing big or are you losing small? You know what I'm saying? It's okay to have a 30% win rate strategy. It is perfectly fine. You can still be profitable with it. It just depends on how you losing. How are you losing? Are you losing small? Or are you taking big losses? Are you taking profit off quicker, or are you letting the trade hit your SL? The reason why you're taking on profit quicker is because you're not confident in your strategy. You're traumatized from all them losses that you're taking. You don't want to take another loss. So you're like, bruh, I don't want to take another loss. I cannot take another loss. So you're like, let me take this profit real quick so I can feel good. But I'm telling you, at the time, it's going to feel good. At the time, it's going to feel like you did something right. But that's creating a bad habit, because you're going to get into those droughts where you lose a whole bunch of trades, and all those trades that you won are going to get swept away. So you got to be able to really maintain that winning attitude. You got to be able to know how to lose, and you got to just have that confidence. Read books. Read books, not just about Forex. Trading in the Zone is a really good book. Trading in the Zone is a really good book. But read other books other than read life improving skill books. Read those books, because you have to be disciplined at the core of you, not just in Forex. Not just when you hop on the charts, now you're disciplined. No, you got to be disciplined in every single part of your life. Now, there are exceptions. There are people who can separate trading from regular life, but most people can't do that. Most people don't have that luxury. So you got to be able to maintain that. You got to be able to be disciplined in every single part of your life. That's what's helped me. You know what I'm saying? When I go to the gym, I'm making sure I do every single rep. I'm not going to miss a rep. If I tell myself I'm going to run 2 miles today, I'm going to run 2 miles today. You know what I'm saying? That's being disciplined. That's being consistent. If I'm in the gym, I'm gonna do my reps and everything the same way, same exact way. I'm training my mind for Forex in the gym. Everything I do is training my mind for Forex. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you have to do. You have to be able to change the way you think in order to change your results. It's not because of your technical analysis. It's not because you don't know how to trade. It's not because you don't know how to mark a trend line or throw down a Fibonacci. It's because you do not know how to have a winning attitude. You do not know how to trust your strategy. You haven't back tested enough. You haven't, and this is another thing. You have to change your mindset from what is this trade going to do for me to a probabilistic mindset. You have to be thinking in probabilities, because that's all the market is. It don't matter how much analysis you put into your trade. You still have a chance of losing that trade, even if you do every single thing right. But get this, even if you do everything wrong, you can still win a trade. You can win 4 trades in a row doing everything the wrong way. So it's not about being right or wrong. It's about sticking to your plan. It's about following your rules and being disciplined, consistent, and confident and patient. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just really wanted to come on here. I just had it on my mind. I wanted y'all to hear this, because I know there's probably people out there that's going through the same thing. I went through it, so I know what I'm talking about, because I've experienced this firsthand, and it took me a while, because honestly, I ran away from psychology for so long. You know, I thought it was all about marking up my charts, studying, back testing for 4 hours a day. But it wasn't about that. It's one thing to know how to mark your chart up. It's another thing to be able to execute. Execution comes from psychology. Execution comes from confidence. Execution comes from preparing before you hop into the market. So that's it, man. I just wanted to share that with y'all. I hope some people get some light from this. I hope some people are able to resonate with what I said, can relate to what I said. And if y'all can, please like and subscribe to the video. Help a brother out, man. I'm trying to reach out to a lot of people. Share the video if you can. And yeah, man, we still on that road to 50K. I'm actually on the phase 2. I lost my first trade, but I won my second. So I'm up like $277. I need like $2,300 more or something like that. So I'm gonna try to get that next week, and I'm gonna just take my time. And then, hey, after that, bro, don't let me get this account. Don't let me get this account, because when I get this account, man, it's over. I'm about to just rip the market. I'm about to just I'm going to be thinking about the process. I'm not going to be thinking about the withdrawals. When you finally get your account, don't think about the withdrawals. Do not think about every single step that it takes to get to that outcome that you want to receive. Don't think about the outcome, but think about the process. Think about each step, each trade. And I'm telling you, you're going to win. I'm telling you, if you start reading books like, and let me tell you what books I be reading. I be reading Think and Grow Rich. I got this book. I got Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. No, it's not Think and Grow Rich. This is Think and Grow Rich. But we got Think and Grow Rich. Am I holding it the right way? You know what I'm saying? It's probably backwards for y'all. I don't know. And then we got 12 Power Principles for Success by Bob Proctor. I'm also reading Power of the Subconscious Mind. I'm also reading Think and Grow Rich, A Black Choice. I'm also reading, what with winning in mind. I forget who created that one. I'm also reading The Mental Game to Poker. And I'm reading a whole bunch of other books. I can't really think of them right now, but I'm reading a lot of books. And let me tell y'all, in high school, hated reading. Honestly, pretty much my whole entire life, I hated reading, really. I never thought reading had any benefits for me. But once I started getting into the market, once I found my purpose, which is the market, once I found that, I was able to start reading. Because I was doing it for something that I love to do. I was doing it for something that I was passionate for. So anyways, let me stop talking, man, because I'm hot. I'm in here sweating. I just came back from the gym. Also, let me know if y'all want to start seeing like some gym stuff, if y'all want to start seeing, you know what I'm saying, my workouts and everything like that. Let me know in the comments. But all right, y'all, I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.